George Washington Carver, a great man, 1. Now let's read the lesson. Jenny, will you read the first section, please?
George Washington Carver. A man in Alabama had gone out for a walk. Suddenly, his foot slipped over the mud on the road. His clothes were splashed with mud. He took out his handkerchief and began to clean his clothes. He wiped off all the mud. But he saw that there were stains on his clothes, and what's more, the stains were blue. The handkerchief too had turned blue. He washed the handkerchief, but the blue stains were still there. They could not be washed off. This man was no ordinary man. He was George Washington Carver, the famous scientist. A true scientist wants to study everything, even mud stains. Carver rushed to his lab and tested the mud stains and the soil. After many tests, he learnt how to make good quality blue paint from the soil. A church in that town needed paint. Carver's students painted the church with this lovely blue paint. No one could believe that the paint was made from the soil under their feet.
Thank you, Jenny. Let's stop here for today.